Today, we are going to be learning about powers. Seems like a pretty fun topic, I know. But we're not going to be learning about what you think we're learning about. We're going to be learning about mathematical flowers. Flowers? Powers, I mean. We're not going to be learning how to fly. I wish. For this, you'll need a piece of paper, a pen, and a brain. If you've got one. So, let's firstly make this an account. We're learning about powers, not superpowers. They're two different things. Powers in math are where a base number, let's say in this example the 2, is raised to an exponent to create a new answer. Here's the little 2 next to it. So this here, 2 with a little 2 next to it, means 2 times 2, which equals 4. Now, it doesn't. Now, let's say, if you want to have a go at this one, before you do this, have a go, then let me explain something to you. This does not mean the base number times the little number next to it. It means that number times by itself that many times. So this is not 4 times 3. Have a go and see what you get. The answer to this is 64, because 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 3 times. You see? That's what a power is, and that's what a power does. Now we're going to learn about the correct names for the different, powers. So when a number is powered by 2, or as they call it, raised to the power, it's called squared. So that will be called 2 squared. When a number is powered by 3, with the little 2 with the 3 next to it, it's called cubed. 2 cubed. What do you think it's called when a number is powered by 4? It's actually called to the power of 4. Once you get past cubed in powers, the rest of the powers are to the power of that number. 2 with a little 4 next to it is 2 to the power of 4. 2 with a little 15 next to it is 2 to the power of 15. Now we're going to have a halfway pit stop. Questions. What is 3 to the power of 4? 81. I hope. Yes, it's 81. I was thinking about that in my head. What do you call a number raised by a power of 3? Cubed. Now, we're going to add a little bit of algebra into this. And we're going to be doing some powers with algebra. Now, if you want to learn more about algebra, go and watch my algebra video to learn more about it and how to write different equations and expressions. Some things in that video are needed for these forms. Now, our first example is a times a times a, which is a cubed. Because if 2 cubed equals 2 times 2 times 2, then a cubed must equal a times a times a. You'll have a go is a times a times a times b times c. It is a cubed bc squared. Now here's a quick way to help. There are 3 a's, 1, 2, 3. We put a to the little with a little 3 next to it. There's 1 b, so we just put b. And there are 2 c's, so we put c to the power of we put c squared. Then we combine the numbers and powers, a cubed bc squared, to get our answer. Now I explained the combining thing in the algebra video, so if you want to, go and watch that. Let me more powers with algebra. We've got a little bit of key info first. The key info: x equals 3, b equals 2. Our example is 2 to the power of x plus x to the power of 2. It equals 17. Because if we substitute x into the expression, then it becomes 2 to the power of 3 plus 3 squared, which means 8 plus 9, which is 17. Now you can have a go. B to the power of x plus 4. And then you have a challenge if you complete that. Brackets bx squared plus over 2b. The main answer for the have a go is 12, because the substituted version is 2 to the power of 3 plus 4, which is equivalent to 8 plus 4, which equals 12, which equals 12 apparently. Then the challenge, the answer is 37, because bx, that's not b to the power of x, that's bx. It means b multiplied by x, which when substituted is 3 times 2, which is 6. Then 6 squared, because that squared equals 36. 2b means 2 multiplied by b, which equals 4, and 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And finally, 36 plus 1 equals 37. Simple! Now we're going to have the second half questions. What is the longest version of a cubed? A times a times a. What is 2x divided by x squared when x equals 4? The answer is 0.5 or 1/2. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you would like me to do more educational videos on this channel, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Go and watch my algebra video and go and watch my other videos too. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.